The following video provides guidance on the measurement of the skirtings for the approximate quantities. The approach we use is as follows. First of all, we establish the length of skirting to the internal girth of the building. That's skirting which is going to run along the internal edge, the internal face of the blockwork. Then we'll add for the skirtings to either side of our internal walls, and then we are going to make the adjustment for the over measure at our openings. So first of all, let's have a look at establishing the length of skirtings to the internal face of the blockwork. That's going to be the internal girth of the building, and that calculation will be done in the waist column. The internal girth is going to be twice the internal length plus twice the internal width. For further guidance on the calculation of either the internal length or the internal width, have a look back at the video on the measurement of the ground floor slab. So then we move on to allowing for the skirtings to either side of our internal blockwork wall. So going back to my sketch, here you see now I've added the skirtings. So our skirtings will be on either side of our internal blockwork wall. So to establish that length, we already have the total length for the internal blockwork wall. We used that in our calculation of our wall finishes. So if we multiply that length of the internal blockwork wall by 2, we will get the skirtings to both sides of the wall. Then let's have a look at our plan. So this is what we've now established. We've measured our skirtings to both edges of our internal walls, but there's an over measure here. Okay, obviously we don't have skirtings through our door openings, so we need to deduct off this over measure. So this over measure is going to be twice the width of the door opening, i.e. for the over measure on this face of the wall and this face of the wall, and then we need to multiply that by the number of internal doors. Remember to also consider the over measure of the skirting to the external door as well.